The packaging market is valued at $1 trillion and still growing. Acknowledging the big impact it has on both the environment and customer success, pushed us to optimize packaging systems made of cardboard, plastic, and wood through innovation in design, manufacturing, and supply chain. More than 90% of our solutions are customized to improve safety, cost, capacity, and are supplied in tailor-made batches to reduce inventory, space, and complexity in customers' warehouses. But in order to bridge design, process automation, and customer-centric culture, we need a flexible, modular, autonomous, and easy-to-scale solution to augment people capability through technology.
At Zaleco, we face several challenges in our manufacturing processes, including communication gaps, limited access to information, issues with production reporting, and downtimes. These challenges were persistent and pose significant risk to our efficiency, productivity, and agility. For our digital transformation, capturing the value available from new technology is crucial. Tulip has been a game changer for us because it provides us with a platform to create custom apps tailored for our specific needs. From digitizing work instructions to automating quality checks and enabling paperless production reporting, with Tulip, we managed to pilot and test solutions that we were then able to scale quickly to the entire shop floor.
Through embracing new technologies like Tulip, we've seen remarkable improvements in key performance indicators. Firstly, productivity. Even for Romania's cost-competitive landscape, boosting productivity is essential for sustained growth. Compared to upfront investments, our measured double-digit improvements in cycle time showcase the significant value of digital transformation. These enhancements reinforce our industry leadership by refining our competitive differentiation. Secondly, scrap rate. In just 2 months, leveraging real-time tracking, we achieved an impressive 20% reduction, reflecting our commitment to quality. Furthermore, operational availability has increased by at least 30%, maintaining our agility while navigating these uncertain times. Also, tracking value waste throughout manufacturing is key, and by monitoring downtimes closely, we minimize disruptions and optimize processes.
Developing our internal IT/OT team plays a crucial role in digital transformation. They understand our business inside out, which allows us to tailor digital solutions to our specific needs. This agility means we stay ahead of the curve, collaborating seamlessly across functions, and being able to tackle big projects like implementing an ERP system for our company and the operational platform.
But beyond metrics, inspiring curiosity in our workforce is foundational for us and is paramount, reskilling and upskilling people so that they are better equipped to adjust to change.